Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean, and come back to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. I went to the gym last night. This morning, I came back around 6 in the morning. So I went to the gym at 3, came back 6. I'm dead tired right now, but bear with me. So, I'm not sure how many of you on my channel that subscribe to my channel are YouTubers. If you're YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers, you would have received, or even have a YouTube channel that you upload to and was earning from, you would have received a policy update. This policy update explains their new policy and their new position at YouTube with the YouTube Partnership Program, YPP. This program is basically YouTube paying you. It's simple as that. YouTube policy, how you get paid, the steps going forward, and what the new policy entail. And in that email, everybody get a specific email telling you if you're in the threshold of still earning from YouTube and if you're not. No, when I say earn from YouTube, I'm a small YouTuber with approximately 744 at last count subscribers. No, due to my inactivity at times, I've been on YouTube for 2+ years, I think, and I got my first paycheck in November for $100, and I was grateful for that. No, every month I was averaging anywhere from $1 to $2. Move from that when I started gaining more subscribers, gaining more views, to $5. Then it moved from $5 to $10 a month. So last month I got around $10, but you don't get it right away because you have to reach $100 again before you get that payout. Because if you get $10 ain't nothing. So again, I'm a small YouTuber. No, with the new policy change that will be implemented on February 20th, 2018, every YouTuber that is under 1,000 views, yes, no, not 1,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. So any YouTuber that is under 1,000 subscribers, they will not be able to take part in earning anymore. Their bread will be boxed out of their hand, so to say. You will lose your ability to earn on YouTube until you reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, because they record the watch time in minutes, but watch hours. So 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers. Keep that in mind. So they want to do this because you have a lot of good YouTubers, big YouTubers are being impersonated by small actors or group of, scammers. They scam their video and they upload it and they earn from it. So YouTube claim that they want to clean up the system and allow for better protection of creators so they can earn more and be ahead of the game. But my interpretation of this is basically YouTube boxing the bread out of a whole heap of people's hand right there, because I think like 90% of YouTubers are small YouTubers who are creative. Yes, we do have certain people on the platform that rip off other people's video or cheat or do all type of stuff, but when you box the bread out of so many people's hand, it sends a wrong signal. It shows that you don't really care about the small guy anymore, or his ability to even earn and develop. Because a lot of people use this money for to do a lot of stuff. It's helpful. It's like extra income that we can use to invest back into YouTube, buying camera. Firstly, it's not even cheap to be not even cheap to be a YouTuber. Camera is expensive, equipment is expensive, and to get the really good equipment, they are expensive in the thousands to get good equipment. My equipments, they're like mediocre, $30 and them stuff there. Even a digital camera, to get a good decent digital camera, you need at least 300 upwards. That even include lens and stuff like that yet. So it takes a lot. Then software to operate, to edit, to do the fancy editing. It is not cheap. You see what I'm saying? So this is just a big blow. So this video, I'm just sharing this video to tell you that I'm in that bracket and I will have 30 days in order to get approximately 262 more subscribers to my channel. I've been trying on my personal profile at WhatsApp, I posted it on WhatsApp and asking family and friends to subscribe that haven't subscribed, to subscribe to support me, because you can subscribe and you don't watch, but I would prefer if you subscribe and watch, because a lot of you guys, you watch me and you find me because of my videos and my content, which I really appreciate. So you guys stick around and look for more videos because it helps you, it is informative, it is probably fun for you. You like the accent, which I appreciate because I'm Jamaican and I don't hide who I am. So I'm just asking you guys to help me reach 1,000 subscribers. That is what I'm asking you to do. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel and you always come back, please click the subscription button. It helps a whole lot and it takes nothing for you to subscribe to our channel. You're just helping us continue to motivate us so we can continue and say, all right, we're on the channel and we're earning a little dollar, $5-10, based on the videos we put out. It's kind of a service, that you're not really paying for, but you're just helping an individual earn a little dollar on the side. So that is YouTube. Apart from that, not because, or if I don't reach 1,000 subscribers, mean that I'm going to stop doing YouTube. No, you guys know that I won't stop, because I like what I do and I like to make my comments and I like to give my opinion and I like to reason and talk. So I'll always be here on YouTube, but I don't want to be in that bracket where I can't reach 1,000 subscribers. I think I deserve to reach it. My uncle is going to send my desktop tomorrow. It's not here yet, so I'm still doing this from my phone, so bear with me for a while. Also, I'm not just going to post this video and ask you guys to subscribe and then not put out more content. It was because of the computer issue that I didn't have for 6 months, almost 7 months now. I don't have my desktop. I don't have editing software for 6 months, so that is hampering me as well. But I just want to say thanks very much for supporting JVLOGS. Thanks very much for supporting Mark Plunkett. It's the same person, JVLOGS Mark. And just know that I'll be putting out more content. Hopefully I can put out a next video later today, which is an interesting topic. I have 2 topics on the top of my head right now that I want to talk about. Very interesting, so look out for those. And what I'll do, because last week I posted 2, so I'm going to continue to post each day as I get the topics, and then hopefully I can build on that and you guys can stick around and support me. So thanks very much for watching JVLOGS. Thanks very much for supporting me. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. You'd be greatly appreciated. So thanks very much again, guys. JVLOGS, I am out. Support a ghetto youth.